Good morning, everyone. It's great to see you again. It's great that you're watching me again. Today, I want to talk a little bit about product photography and what's involved in doing a product photo shoot or a product video shoot. The basics about product photography. As an example, I'm going to show you 3 different products. No, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I paid for these things with my own money. There's a few things to keep in mind anytime you're doing a product shoot, and I made a list to help you get to know that product, the idea behind the product, and how to sell that product. So here's a list. There's a few questions like, what is the product? How is it different from other products? What does the product do? How does it make you feel? What feeling are you trying to convey with that product? What color is it? And then also, how far are you willing to go for a picture or for a video? I created this clip. It's 30 seconds, so let me play that for you real quick. Let's go back to the list. What is it? Well, it's a running shoe. I've been wearing them. I washed them, but I didn't do a very good job. The fact that it's a running shoe tells me the video needs to be a little bit more upbeat, needs to be active, fast. How is it different from any other running shoe? Besides being very lightweight, it's Swiss engineering and cloud tech. Makes you feel like you're running on clouds. What does it do? It propels you and it pushes you forward, cushioning every step. It motivates you to keep you going. What feeling does it convey? What does it make me feel? And from personal experience, these shoes really do boost my confidence. And it's because it gives me that extra inch that every guy wants. What color is it? And this is very basic, but it's very important because they're black and white, and that'll really help me pick a background, whether I want to add contrast or make them very flat. Having a good clear perspective of what you want based on the color can help you get great results. Now, talking about the photography, strictly photos. For these pictures I'm going to show you, I only used one light. I have a white ceiling, so I bounced the light off the ceiling. That casts a very soft and even light. Reduces the shadows, and it's a very low contrast light, so it shows all the detail in the shoe. As far as backgrounds, I have a black PVC roll and a white roll. These are the basic methods for photography. It's isolating on white or black. They're basic, but they're very popular because it gives the editor tremendous flexibility how to use that product, how to add shadows, how to overlay it on any other background. With that said, maybe in the future I'll do another video with a more complex subject, taking different backgrounds, different props, setting up a whole stage about a product. But that's for another time. And then, how far are you willing to go for a video shoot or for a photo shoot? What's your limit? How much are you willing to do to get those shots you want? In the making of this video, that running video I just showed you, the last 3 seconds, I wanted to go to a mountaintop. There was a big rock on the top of the mountain, and I wanted to get there because I wanted to get those heights like you're running on clouds. I wanted to reach the same height as the clouds. But to get there, the road was full of obstacles, and it was a cool adventure, so I'll play that video for you. I had a blast making that video. That was a lot of fun. But I think I am going to leave the wood cutting to the real men out there. Can I even say that on YouTube? Anyway, yes, I did all of that for 3 seconds. At the beginning of the video, it mentioned 3 products that we were going to be showcasing. One was a running shoe. The second one was a power saw. Any idea what the third one was? Myself. It was me. I'm trying to sell myself as a product photographer, as a videographer. Every time you do anything, you're putting your reputation on the line. That's why going that extra step, going that extra mile, clearing out the path so you can get to where you want to go, it's very important. Both the chainsaw and my running shoes are fast-paced. They're active. They're something exciting. So I needed slow motion. This camera doesn't do that. This camera only goes up to 30 frames a second. So most of this was filmed on a cell phone, because cell phones today have slow-mo. So most of this was filmed with the cell phone. I didn't let that technology slow me down or take away from what I wanted to convey, that feeling, that idea that I was going after. I had this vision, what I was going for, and not having this technology is no excuse. You always have to do the best you can with the tools you have at the moment. If I keep waiting, I'm never going to do it. Tomorrow I'll have new technology. Tomorrow I'll have new ideas. But I can't let that slow me down or stop me from doing what I want to do today. Every time you go that extra mile, you stand out. When you do more than the other person, you're going to stand out. And that goes a very long way with paying clients. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a blast making it. I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch me do all this. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click that like button if you liked. And if you know anybody that might benefit from this, share the video. It really does help me out a lot. The best way to help and support a small channel, or any channel, is to click the like. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next week. Bye.